Yo, it's your scooter bro here, back with another video. We're gonna do a remote control car. It's a remote control car. Yeah, boys. Space it there, bro. Little edit here. Shout out to my friend William. He's a real nice person. My car's not stuck. I thought it was. Yeah, my friend William's here. It's his car. He just let me play with it. Shout out to him right there. Add me on Snapchat. Username Jed1228/ScooterPro. And leave in the comment section what you want me to do next. I might do a Q&A. So yeah. Perfect parking. That's it for this vid.
Well, what's it?